Hi everyone, this is Chandan and that's Manisha. We are back with yet another video blog. After Go Bazinga Momos Fest, we are en route to Pellet Fest 2017.
Which I may say is one of the biggest food festival in the India. It's third time in the capital and this time a completely reimagined version.
Just because we are saying Pellet Food Festival, don't think that this fest is all about food. There are much more options to explore in this fest than just food.
Come on Chandan, we are food blogging, so let's concentrate on the various food options available. Well, for a food junkie, it's all you can wish for under one roof. Actually, practically under an open-air garden, but it's all you can get. Say you want some lavish international food options, that's available, check. If you want some another drinks, check.
Okay, street food,
Check,
fiery fried snacks,
check,
wholesome meals.
check,
Okay, so drinks.
check.
Oh my god.
You know Chandan, soups, salads, pizzas, burgers, I would say just put a name to your thoughts and it is present.
You know what? One of the major attraction of this fest was embassies of various countries came to this fest with their culture, their food and of course their absolutely mesmerizing music. Getting a good music was like an icing on the cake. From rock band's performance to Channa Meria to प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया. So this fest was filled with lots of music जो आपको अंदर तक छू जाए.
So let's not waste any more time and take you all for the stroll in the food land. वो कहते हैं ना कुछ अच्छा करने से पहले मीठा हो जाए. So starting on a sweet note with the Pearl Boutique Bakery, which is a touch of art with a slice of glamour, as they say.
There were beautiful cakes on display, all multi-tiers. My big bundle of joy. I can just watch and appreciate them for long hours. Available tasting menu on their counter. It was an apple pie in a bun with an ice cream topping. Another was cake of the day and it was blueberry cheesecake, guys. There were also some small takeaways that were available like chocolate coconut balls or
Actually, as a matter of fact, when I first saw that cake, I didn't thought that it was a real one. When I went there and took a closer look, then I realized it to be a real one. I mean, they were all so beautiful and real. This reminded me of one of the cakes I saw in TLC show, Fabulous Cakes. So moving on with some more options for the people like me, जिन्हें मीठा खाना पसंद है, we landed into the outlet of Desert Fox.
this store is at two locations in Delhi, GK1 and Lajpat Nagar. Their display was nice and colorful. Everything on their display was so attractive and eye-catching. Just look closer. Also for people who like freebies, they were giving free takeaways to the people who tagged.
Personally, I don't know what is the matter with this nut. Toast it, add it to your drinks, desserts, have it whole. This nut can practically make you go nuts. I have undying love for the hazelnut. Their menu was captivating. Cookies, mini pastries, dessert jars. I love the options for two kinds of eclairs and hazelnut, which definitely means having tons of hazelnut.
Though we tried their pepper broccoli zucchini cheese pie, this thing was just melting in your mouth. I know, trying out savory from a dessert bar, but trust me, this dish was just eyeing us out from this whole lot of sugar rush. Have a look.
Going to try the quiche or the savory pie. It has broccoli and other vegetables. The crust is crunchy enough, so let's try and see how it is. It's good, nicely flavored, amazing. Guys, I know you must be having some craving to munch on some food and snacks by the time right now. Okay, let's do one thing, give you a pause, go, get some snacks and watch with us forward. So, coming back, while we gained on so much calories, let's talk about some healthy fooding options.
So we next head to Crudo Juicery, which is from Gurgaon. They had juices, smoothies, Greek yogurt parfait, fresh cold pressed juices, soups, salads. Yes, all these things at a one single.
Indeed, it was interestingly fresh and refreshing.
You know, next in line is our guilt-free bio-organic product range based on completely coconuts.
Oils, cream, milk, etc. was available. Right now, they are an online retail business, so you can easily look out for them. Another great option to indulge.
You forgot to mention their name, Beyond Passe. So, we have covered something sinful and indulging,
Yeah, that is desserts, right?
okay, and something healthy too. But that's not it. We have a lot more to share about Palette Fest. So go on, check for our upcoming paths and have a look what's more in store. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll be back shortly with yet another interesting video of Palette Fest. So, bye bye.